Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by creating a dedicated Figma file and enable version history so you can roll back changes. Next, import the official iOS design kit or a trusted community library. This gives you native components and typography. Once imported, immediately set up global color styles, text styles, and layout grids that match iOS spacing. Make sure to establish export settings at 1x and 2x and define constraints on frames. Doing this now saves time and prevents inconsistent assets later. Now construct your interface using atomic components and variants to represent states like selected, disabled, or loading. Connect text elements to Figma text styles and swap local colors for shared color styles so everything updates centrally. Use auto layout for buttons, lists, and cards to handle content changes smoothly and nest components to reuse common patterns. Once done, organize components into a logical page structure and leverage component properties, where possible to reduce overrides, and finish by publishing the component library and tagging a version so developers know which release to use. Export design tokens for spacing, color, and type, and annotate behavior, like interaction delays and safe area rules, so engineers implement correctly. Make sure prototypes link to actual component instances and check accessibility labels. If you encounter sync or variant mismatch issues, detach the affected instances, replace them with the updated master component, and reapply overrides. This forces a clean reconciliation and preserves integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.